Most of us heard that Jesus died on the cross, pero don't fully understand it. Alam natin na lahat tayo ay sinners, and sin is so serious to holy God, kaya nga sabi niya, the soul that sin shall die. And deserve natin mamatay, deserve natin mapunta sa impyerno. All we have earned is wrath of God. Every time na nagkakasala tayo, naiipon yan. Some may say, bakit hindi na lang tayo patawarin ng Diyos or kalimutan na lang yung mga kasalanan natin? Bakit kailangan pang isacrifice yung anak niya? Nope. God is just. He need to punish all people that have sinned against Him. Kasi kung hindi niya gagawin yon, He will be unjust. And He will not be worthy to be called God. So this is the wrath of God. This is us human. We deserve the punishment. We deserve to die. But instead of us taking the punishment, Jesus took the punishment by Himself, dying in our place, satisfying the wrath of God. Imagine taking the wrath of God na naipon ng all humanity. He was mocked, dinuraan siya sa muka, tinorture, He was crucified. And here we are, enjoying the gift from God called life. And still sinning against Him. That's why we can never understand or comprehend how much He loves us. Hindi kaya i-comprehend ng human brain natin at intindihin kung gaano niya tayo kamahal dahil sa ginawa niya para sa atin.